Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to sign out or log out from your Locket Widget app. Now if you want to sign out or log out from your Locket Widget app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Locket Widget app on your device. So if you have not installed the Locket Widget app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. And the second and the basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have created your account for the Locket Widget app. So if you have not created your account, you just need to create your account on the Locket Widget app. So in this page, you'll be able to see the option of your name, your friends, your settings like icon and all of it. So click on the option of settings and you just need to scroll down until you see the option of sign out. So click on the option of sign out and a pop-up will appear saying, are you sure you want to sign out? So click on the option of sign out like this and it takes you to the page where you'll be able to see the option of create an account and sign in. So that's it. That's how you can sign out from your Locket Widget account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.